Everybody likes scones, so today we're going to make eggless blueberry scones. No eggs whatsoever. Let's start baking together. We put 2 cups of flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and then I have 2 teaspoons and a half of baking powder. I have half a teaspoon of salt. And then you want to grate it a little bit of a lemon zest in there. Just for the flavor. Okay, we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to get the butter from the fridge. The butter has to be nice and cold. We have half a cup of butter. I'm going to just grate it. Now we're just going to start to use our fingers or a fork. I like to use my fingers so that I know the texture has to come like a sand. Work your butter like this. Now we're gonna put half a cup. We have half a cup here of heavy cream plus 2 tablespoons. So half a cup of heavy cream plus 2 tablespoons. And with that, we're going to add, I'm going to add some vanilla, a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. So 1 teaspoon and a half. All right. I'm gonna just turn it a little bit like this. Okay. Perfect. And now, before we do this, we're going to add our frozen, if you add fresh, I prefer to use 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and you can put it in your mixture, okay? Just 1 cup. Like I said, you can use fresh, totally up to you. Give it a quick mix first. All right. And now I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Okay. This is the time that you can take a fork and start to mix it up. The mixture has to hold in your hands like this. So now we can bring everything here, right on the working table, okay? So from this portion, it's gonna come, there should come 8 nice scones because it's just a portion where it's gonna just be 8 scones. So try to put it down. Start to cut it right on the middle. There you go. There you go, guys. Exactly 8 beautiful scones. Just like that. So put it on the baking sheet. Okay. Now before we put them in the oven, we're gonna just spread a little bit of a heavy cream, or you can put some milk or egg wash, and then a little bit of sugar on the top. You put it in the oven at 350 for 15-20 minutes until they reach their golden state, okay? Just brush a little bit of a heavy cream because I do have some left over. That's my oven. Telling me that it's ready. Oh. Just brush it nice. There you go. And I'm going to sprinkle some sugar, totally up to you.